Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So for today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick Ipsy unbagging, and the theme is Happy Friendsgiving, I guess. Doesn't really specify what the theme really is, but it came with this cute little card here. Okay, so just in case you just want to read that. I mean, I normally don't, but I think honestly to me this card is like a waste of paper because it doesn't explain anything that you got. It just tells you about 30% off here. And a bunch of products that you didn't get in your bag. So, to me, it's just waste. It's not really good advertisement. The bag this month, this down, is this cute little purple and black hearts on it. I think it's black, yeah. Purple pleather bag with black hearts on it. I mean, it's cute. I'm probably just going to put it in the giveaway because I have a whole bunch of these laying around and I don't use them. So, that's going to be going in the giveaway box. It's already in there now. The first item I got in my Ipsy this month is the MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiant Base. It's a primer, and it's in the shade Radiant Yellow. And it has like a yellow tone to it here, see? It kind of feels a little bit silicone-y, nothing crazy, but, you know, you can feel it there. It has a silicone slip. The next item, it is 6 milliliters and 0.2 of a fluid ounce. So that's how much is in there. The next item I got is the Jersey Shore Cosmetics Peppermint Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm. And this isn't just a lip balm. This is also for dry skin. I live at the Jersey Shore. This place is right down the street. It's like $1 if I go there and buy it. Yeah, it's like literally right down the street. But because it has peppermint in it, if you put a little bit underneath your eyes, which I have done already, you can kind of see like a shine right here. It takes out a little bit of inflammation, and it'll also keep your under eye from creasing when you put concealer and everything on. So it's a good use for it there. I use it around my nose right here where I get really bad dry patches, so it'll help. You can also do that with any all-natural lip balm. They'll all work for your face. And I have it on my lips, which you can tell they're more hydrated. They actually look almost plumped, but they're not. So, that's that. I mean, it's nice. Don't get me wrong, it's really nice, but I can go literally and get this for $1 down the street. Then I got the Skone Brow Wand eyebrow pencil in the shade Chocolate. So, here's that right here. There you go. I already opened it and looked at it. It has that triangle shaped top on it right here. Now, this is a problem I had with the last one, and more than likely I'll have it this time. If you just rub across it, you're not going to get barely any color off. I mean, it actually worked a little bit better there. But, I mean, if I dig into my hand... Oh, look. Never mind. This one's actually working. I'm sorry. I take everything back. Maybe it has to be warmed up for it to work. We'll see. But it has the pencil on the one side, you know, spoolie on the other, like a standard eyebrow pencil. The last one I got from Ipsy, and the one before that, I think I've gotten 4 eyebrow pencils from Ipsy so far, and every other one has been like extremely hard. Let me see. No, that's not the right one. So I was kind of going in expecting it to be a hard pencil, and it really wasn't. So I have my little homemade bottle here. It's actually I have a thyroid disorder, so I get medication for my thyroid, and it's one of the bottles that came in. But what I did was I wrapped a Soap and Glory tissue paper around it and made it a cute little, you know, holder on my table. I mean, when you don't have the money to go out and spend on a bunch of, you know, glass jars and things like this for your brushes and pencils, I mean, this will work. It has worked for me for quite a while now. Let's see. I just had it out. I don't know what I did with it. Anyway, the last Ipsy pencils I've gotten, they were all like extremely hard, so I'm kind of happy that this one is a little bit softer. When I first put it on my hand, automatically I felt like, it felt hard, so I didn't feel like it was working too well, but, I mean, it actually might work. So I have high hopes for it now. The next item I got with my Ipsy is the Nomad Stockholm Illuminating Highlighting Powder in the shade Midnight Sun. And this is it right here. And then you open it up. That's the shade here. It's coming up a little bit lighter on camera. I can't get that gold tone it has, but it does have a gold tone. And to compare it to something for size, here's a NYX single eyeshadow. And the NYX single eyeshadow has a beat. I mean, it's a lot bigger. So, I mean, that's the size of it. And it is 0.05 of an ounce, which is 1.5 grams. So, you see, I'll swatch it for you real quick. Right here. It's a very beautiful color. It's right here. I don't know if it's going to be a little bit light for my face, but we'll see. It's beautiful. I really like it, but like I said, I mean, teensy tiny. Like the size, it's probably about not even the size of a $50. And then the last item I got in my Ipsy this month is the Beauty something eye shader brush. I'm not going to try to say it. I will just take it out of here. And I'll show you. I don't know how to pronounce it. Maybe it's better off in the bag. Alright. Right there is the name. Let's see if I can get it in. That's the name of the website that you can get this from. Sorry. It's like a goofy view, but this is a brush right here. It just says eye shader on that side. And that's it for my Ipsy. So, I don't have any makeup on at all because I'm getting ready to film a full face, so that's why I look a little crazy right now. And like I said, I use the chapstick stuff. I will try out all these items in another video I'm going to be putting up today, but I just didn't want to make that video extra long, so that's why I did a separate video for this Ipsy. So yeah, I mean, that was it for my Ipsy bag. Like I said, I'll be trying out the items in my next video, which will go up not too long after this one. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will see you in a little while. Bye, guys.